Good boy, yeah.
That's full range of motion.
Swedish massage here.
This will make you sleepy too. Yeah. Okay, right there. Okay, I'm gonna just work this out a little bit. I'm doing a little massage. And I'm coming down the neck. Right there, it's a little tight. There we go.
He wasn't even interested in food. He was in so much pain. That's how bad it was.
I'm always interested in food, even when I am in pain.
So this is the third time in the last 3 weeks, or 3 or 4 weeks. And remember when I came in, he was just, he could barely move. He was in pain. He was hiding in the bathroom, and I could barely get him down here. And he cracked his neck and worked on his back, and he started to get better, and he was sensitive. And then we came in last week, and you adjusted him again, and now without any medication, he's amazing. I mean, we thought we'd do one more just to put him over the top because he's still tender, and I know you're going away for a while, but the change is amazing.
Well, thank you. I'm so glad you're feeling better, Wilbur. So Wilbur is a dachshund, if you can't tell. We did a first video of him before the pandemic, I think, right? So, yeah. Or maybe the beginning, but probably before, so 3 years ago. Then he came in with his brother. Would we call Riley a brother?
Sister. Yeah.
Riley's a female name. And that we did a video with that, so that's a double dachshund video. That went well.
Yeah.
That was fun. And then you came back and did your own video, because you're a star. And then you came in once, we didn't do a video, and today we're gonna do a little video. But I'm glad you responded. When he has problems, and he's older, how old is he?
13. About to be 14.
Yeah, he gets really a lot of pain. He can have severe pain. And so what we try to do with these older or senior dogs is we, mostly it's management. You're managing the pain, you're managing the alignment so that they have optimal alignment for whatever age they are so that they're not suffering so much. But do you think we should do a little tune-up today, Wilbur? What do you think? May I work with you? So let me just check your atlas. And what we've been doing, we're not doing any instrument, we're just doing like some soft stuff, and we're checking range of motion. And what's nice is he's getting used to me too, so he kind of lets me do, if you see his first video, we have a muzzle on him because he was not used to me. And I'm just feeling these facets going down the neck, and I'm trying to glide them a little bit. And let's bring your head down a little bit. And with senior dogs, coming up and down is really tough. And you'll start to notice sometimes in the senior dogs, sometimes they have to lie on their belly to eat dinner. Did you ever see them do that? Did it ever get that bad? Meaning they can't
he was so
stand on all four and put their neck into the bowl. It's too painful, so they literally lie down and just kind of eat a little bit. People sometimes even have to put food on like a piece of wax paper because they can't, or a plate, because they can't even get over the edge of the bowl.
Yeah, he was like that. He wasn't even interested in food. He was in so much pain. That's how bad it was.
I'm always interested in food, even when I am in pain. How about you? Not all the time.
But now he totally trusts you. I mean, he knows that he's here to get help.
Oh, okay, right there. Okay, I'm gonna just work this out a little bit. I'm doing a little massage, and I'm coming down the neck. Let's stretch that head up. Good. Don't have a good range of motion up yet, so I'm going to work on that. There's this one. Good. Good, now try it. Bring it up. Come on. Maybe slower. Right, it's there. Do you feel what we're trying to do? Where we're trying to stretch your neck up. There you go. Bring it up a little higher, babe.
Good boy.
There you go.
Good boy.
And
Good boy. Yeah.
that's full range of motion.
Good boy.
Let's high five that one, okay?
All right. Yeah.
Because that's what we're trying to do. We're trying to get that full range of motion back. And that's pretty awesome. How old are you again? Because that we got the head all the way up. And that's nice. And I had to release a little bit. So first I was at the upper, and then I dropped down to C5, and that's where I get the biggest release. So here, one more time on C5. Let's show the, there we go, C5, and I'm pushing into the facets at C5.
Good boy, Wilbur. Good boy. Yeah.
And that's good.
Good boy.
So that's a
Wow.
nice movement.
That's.
And you saw in the beginning, he wouldn't let me
Amazing.
take it higher than this.
Yeah.
And he was guarded where he protected it. He didn't want it to let it go. So actually, congratulations, Wilbur, because you trusted me enough to let me take you through the full range. And I know your ribs can hurt in the front sometimes, and Matt's fingers are right there. Let's come down the back now. And, you know, a little bit there. So don't bite me on this one, but there we go. That one clicked a little bit.
Good boy. Good boy, Wilbur. Good boy.
Now let me just do some long strokes. Right there, it's a little tight. There we go. Oh. I'm massaging you pretty hard here. You got those achy muscles. Doing a little deep tissue massage. And we're working pretty strong. I'm so glad you trust me. Remember when you used to want to bite me? I think dogs and animals can tell if you're trying to help.
Oh,
Maybe not
absolutely.
the first day, but they eventually go, oh yeah, that's the guy that made me feel a little better.
Absolutely. He's very guarded generally. I mean, really, this is very unique.
And watch the first video because we had a muzzle on him.
Yeah. No.
And we needed one, remember?
Yeah.
Because you were going to bite me. Look, you're yawning a little bit. That's a good sign. It means you're relaxing into this, right? Okay? I'm trying to help you. We're friends. All right, there you go. A little bit there. I'm down at the sacrum, and I'm pushing into the sacral base, and a little bit there, a little motion. And I'm feeling like little releases as I go. There, that's another spot. There. You hear that made a little clicky noise. Let me feel the front of your neck, anterior neck, muscles under the jaw. Let's do the TMJ, little TMJ, little back of the neck. This is the pole area on a horse, but it's your atlanto-occipital joint. And pulling a little skin rub is good. Don't worry, I'm not going to do that to you, Matt. There you go.
He's getting the full Swedish
This'll make-
massage here.
This will make you sleepy too. Yeah. Nice. Look at that. It's relaxing you. Relaxing your little face. Relaxing your head. I'm working on the atlas at the same time while we're just jiggling that atlas loose. All right, if you want, you can take a little yawn. Okay, I'm gonna let go.
Where'd that go? Yeah, good. I have never seen him relaxed outside of
Yeah.
people he knows as he is right now.
So let's put you on the ground and have you move around. All right. And I think we're gonna probably finish on that, but let's see the shapes.
There you go.
All right.
Come here, Wilbur.
Everybody leave Wilbur a comment.
Yeah, you're doing so much better. Thanks, Doug. That's
And when
amazing.
you stand up, don't hit your head up here,
Okay. I mean, he's a new dog from.
Well, look, he's
3 weeks
arching. Do you
ago.
see the
Yeah.
back arch? So that's good. That's healthy.
So good.
All right, thanks,
Okay.
Matt.
Thank you.
All right, thank
really,
you.
thank you.
Got it.
That's great. I have a feeling I was there for years.
Yeah. So I think that's been there for a while. Right into the inside of the pelvis and pull straight back. Let me make sure I didn't miss anything before you take that off.
I know. I've had back issues too with these discs, and it's so painful for him. feel better. You're gonna feel better. Boy.
You see he's licking a little bit, which is nice.
Hey. What? You're making
He's asking everybody to leave in the comments. He's like,
Hey, you. There you go. That's gonna help you feel better. Yeah. Good boy. It's okay. It's okay. It's
Now
okay.
this one's gonna make him yelp, okay?
Yep. Okay. It's okay. It's okay. There you go. Good boy. Yeah.
That's full range of motion.
Good boy.
Let's high five that one, okay?
All right.
Let's see if it shakes.
There you go.
There it is.
Yeah.
Hi Wilbur, come on over and say hello.
Yeah. Yes, you're better.
What do you want to say?
Now you're assassin.
Leave Wilbur a comment, and I'm sure he'll read his comments. You better leave a nice one or he'll bark at you. Very well done.
Good boy.
Thanks for letting me work on you.
Yeah.
Okay. I'm so glad you trust me. Remember when you used to want to bite me? I think dogs and animals can tell if you're trying to help.
Oh,
Maybe not the
absolutely.
first day, but they eventually go, oh yeah, that's the guy that made me feel a little better.
Absolutely. He's